How to fix cellular issues on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot mobile network problems on your Android device. First, swipe down from the top and toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. After that, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. From there, open Settings and tap on Connections, then Mobile Networks. At this point, tap on network mode and set it to LTE or 5G preferred to ensure you're always on the strongest available signal. In the next step, remove your SIM card and reinsert it to make sure it's properly seated in the tray. Following this, go to General Management, then Reset, and tap Reset Network Settings to clear any configuration issues. Finally, if the problem persists, contact your carrier directly as the issue may be on their end. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix your cellular issues, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.